I think it's really important for our students to have opportunities like this. Of course, it's really important that we provide an outstanding education, interesting and exciting coursework and projects, but the student experience is much broader than that. We're seeing students working together, providing such a broad spectrum of activities and projects and creating this wonderful, wonderful atmosphere.
Because it's coming up to Christmas, it's fun to have a bit of break from work sometimes. And when I saw that they were doing a Christmas market, I just thought it was such a great opportunity. And good because I never would have even thought about restarting selling my earrings. So
yeah, I've never sold anything anywhere before. I think I'd like to do markets more in future maybe.
I bake, that's like my side thing, and Ashley does crochet. So we just decided to smack it together.
Because we're currently on placement now as well, so we've both taken the day off from placement to do this.
We're just trying to raise money to go to Ghana on a nursing placement next year. We've done so well, so I think we'll come back and do it again.